strength starts deep. We're excavating a 7-foot trench to reach the stable strata. In retrofitting and extension, the foundation is where you win or lose the build. Precision is non-negotiable. Using the next, the heavy lifting. The bottom rebar mat is lowered and precisely positioned. Notice the application of cover blocks, essential for protecting the steel from moisture and ensuring a lifetime of durability. Now we lower the pedestal. It's secured with ropes to maintain perfect verticality during the setup. When the steel is this aligned, the structural integrity is guaranteed. Time for the pour. We're using high-grade concrete, transported by cart and placed immediately. Every inch is mechanically vibrated to eliminate air pockets and ensure maximum density. The final result? A perfectly cast trapezoidal eccentric footing. This geometry is designed for high-stress boundary conditions. Engineering excellence by Team Bhargo.